In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make metal music in Suno AI. We'll move from a blank page to a fully generated track by first crafting a strong style prompt, then writing original lyrics, and finally bringing it all together inside Suno. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Before we create anything in Suno, we'll prepare the style prompt that will guide the sound and vibe of the track. In Google, type ChatGPT and open the official site. Once you're in, we'll ask it to generate a clear, concise style description we can paste into Suno. A good example to type is, generate a metal track with a dark, aggressive mood, heavy and intense vibe, 160 BPM. The track features growling male vocals with distorted guitars, double kick drums, and crushing riffs. Hit submit and give it a moment. When the response appears, highlight the style prompt you want to use and copy it. This gives Suno specific direction on tempo, instrumentation, and overall feel. Now, head over to Suno and click Create to open the song builder. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno exactly what kind of metal you're aiming for, from the energy level to the drum approach. If your reference mentions BPM, keep it in so the groove lands where you want it. Next, let's write the lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it for original lyrics that fit the same genre. For example, you can type, "Write original lyrics for a metal song." The subject is about regret for words unsaid and match the genre. Click Submit and wait for the lyrics to generate. If it takes a moment, be patient and feel free to change the subject to whatever theme you want while staying metal in tone. When you're happy with the result, highlight the full lyrics and copy them. Return to Suno, locate the lyrics field, and paste your lyrics. Make sure the structure is clear with line breaks for verses, choruses, and bridge so the model can interpret phrasing more accurately. Now, click Create and wait while Suno generates your music. This step can take a little time as the system processes the style and lyrics together. Once it's done, listen through your new metal track. If the vibe isn't quite right, refine the style prompt for more aggression, a different tempo, or specific guitar tone adjectives, or tweak the lyrics for tighter syllable counts. Repeat the process until it locks in. That's how you make metal music in Suno AI from scratch.